Turk.
Good morning, everybody, and we're here still at the Bahamas at another island that I've never been here before, and this one's called Grand Turk. I mean, the port is kind of small, and at least the tourist section that I could see from the boat seems kind of small too.
Hanging out here with security.
We're in the main store, right by the entrance from the dock, and yeah, I guess it's like a pretty big liquor store and a wine store and cigar shop. And I think everything is tax-free. I mean, we didn't buy anything, but we looked around, but we didn't check the prices though. But I guess these people like to party or get drunk. Okay, right now we're in the patio area. That I guess like little shops here that where you book your expeditions, or when you want to go snorkeling or horseback riding or maybe ATV. So I mean, to me, they're a little bit kind of high on price. I mean, I don't know. It's my opinion. So we avoided all that and we went looking around to go towards the beach and the bars. We got here kind of early, so that gives us time to look around more and actually find a good spot on the beach. So right now we're looking around to the gift shop and smoothies and bars, but we're going straight to the beach to find a good sitting area for us. Okay, we found a good spot. We're actually about 200 yards away from the cruise ship. It's pretty cool. And I mean, the beach, the sand is not as good as the other ones, but I mean, it's okay. The water here is kind of cooler than the other island. We went exploring around the beach area and we found a friend. We found out the Bahamian dog. I mean, he was kind of skinny, so I guess, I don't know if there's just that much food around here or the owner doesn't feed him. But it looked like he was just lonely at the beach, so we fed him, hanged out with him a little bit, and we decided to keep on walking.
Beach of Grand Turk. It's okay. I haven't been here. It's kind of only a little section. The rest is all like abandoned. Everything is crazy. $80 to go snorkeling. Well, they're out of gas because I brought my own snorkeling gear. But it's good. Water's clear. Cold though.
We headed towards the spot where we were sitting at. One thing I didn't like about this island is that every 10 minutes someone is trying to sell you something. And I felt like I was being hustled for everything. So I mean, that's the only thing I really have a complaint about the island. I mean, and it's kind of small too. And basically, they keep you like in a restricted area. Like they just want you to buy something. I mean, it's like all water activities or something. I mean, I didn't like that atmosphere. But other than that, I mean, I know how to avoid people hustling you, so I kind of avoided them and just walked around on my own. how can you come to the Bahamas and not get braids? So yes, the girls got some braids, so we waited around. I mean, it was pretty cool. I never seen that type of braid being done. So I mean, it was something unique to experience. And I mean, the lady was pretty nice. She kind of gave us a special 2-for-1 deal. Okay, it's time to hit the water. We went snorkeling with the kids. I mean, the water is very clear here too. I mean, there was a lot of fish life. I mean, there was more fishes here than the other islands. So that was something good that I liked. And we were surrounded by, I don't know what type of fish they were, but there was like thousands of them. I mean, it was a very pretty sight. Okay, so right now we're heading back because we're tired and hungry. We spent like 3 hours swimming around and snorkeling at the beach and suntanning. So right now we need some energy. So we decided to go ahead, and it was getting late anyway, so we're heading back to the boat to grab some food. Welcome back, everyone. Yeah, we're still here out on the cruise. We're heading back to Miami though. Today is our last day, so it's the whole day on the water. So we decided to go ahead and hang out in the water slides. The water slides are located in the back of the boat. The boat we're in is a Carnival Cruise Sensation. I mean, I've been in all different ingredients, Royal, Norwegian, and I kind of tend to like Carnival because they have a more party, be yourself, don't care atmosphere. So I kind of really enjoy Carnival more, and we're pretty lucky. I mean, we've been great weather the whole 6-day cruise. So I mean, right now we're just here hanging out with the kids here in the water slides. Let's have some fun.
And like you notice, the water slides aren't just for kids, it's for adults too. So we're here having fun with Gabby, while Joel and Fresco are in their bigger pool to the other side of the boat. But it's our turn to go down the slides. Nothing better than in a hot summer yeah, I guess this water is being filtered through the ocean for the slides, and I guess the process is inside the pipes, and the water gets pretty cold.